Our thesis is entitled ET-based irrigation system with automated bird deterrent system implemented through horizontal urban farming of a Capsicum annum siling labuyo. This is the video of the ET-based irrigation system. For the irrigation system will compute for the crop evapotranspiration and the amount of water needed by the plants every 24 hours or every after 24th reading of the sensors of the system. The water pump will turn on for a certain amount of time until the amount of water needed is satisfied. The data will be available through the mobile application. Simply select the date and time of data that you want to view, and the tabulated data will be presented. This is the video of the bird deterrent system. If the system detects a bird using the camera, the rotating red light will turn on for 3 seconds. The user will be notified through the mobile application if there is currently a bird detected, as well as the time of the latest bird detection.